Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to remove a Meta pixel from Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to remove that, what you can do is you can just remove the app itself. So by Meta, I am actually talking about the Facebook and Instagram as well as the WhatsApp that's actually under the same group. So in order to remove that, we just need to click on this settings right here. And now under the settings, you should be able to see all of this. Click on this apps and sales channel. And in here, you just need to look for the Meta account, like for example, this Facebook and Instagram right here. So what you can do is you can click on this uninstall button right here. Once you have done that, make sure that you check this one. You understand the risk. Then in here, you can actually just choose for the reason for uninstalling. So for example, you can choose the one that is actually good for you. For me, I'll just not sure or not apply anything. After that, click on the uninstall button and then this will uninstall the specific application to your actual store. As you can see, it has been removed. Now we can now rest assured that the Meta Pixel has been removed. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.